Welcome to the 60s party, everybody. Can I hear some noise?
Driven.co. I'll talk about some cool English sporting right here. 61 SUNBEAM alpine with the factory hardtop. This one's set up with some really cool little features. The bumpers are off the car and it's been fitted with fog lights. Bumpers do come with the car, but I think you'll agree it looks fantastic with them deleted. It's very racy and is very cool, as are these neat early Series 1 slanted taillights. Factory aluminum top, weighs almost nothing. Looks cool, gives you all around protection in the weather. And just check out these seats. Really cool, fresh upholstery with the SUNBEAM logos embossed right in the seat back. Really neat early interior, wood gear shift knob, original steering wheel. Just a really cool look. The aluminum factory hardtop is a cool option. It's got some new rubber on it. The plexiglass rear screen is there, but does have a small little crack in it, but it won't affect the operation, and it looks just awesome. Check out these wheels. Really a cool touch. They look really neat, stand out, and definitely give it a cool racy feel. English open top motoring at some of its most fun. Boot has got its unique 2-tier level boot. Nice and clean. This whole car is really clean, very, very solid. And what powers this little beast? Well, it's not so little. Actually, this is the bigger Series 5 engine, which is 1725. It's more powerful, it has a different carburetor setup. It's got the dual Strombergs on it, and it has been rebuilt. Looks like the tranny's been rebuilt. It feels wonderful. So this is a upgraded power plant for better performance than you're going to get with any other early SUNBEAMs with the slanted tail fins. Yet it retains the early style header tank, so it keeps the stock appearance. You can check out the pictures of how solid the underside is that we've got posted on our website, driven.co, not com.co. And as you can see, the body is extremely solid. It's an older paint job, which is held up very, very nicely. It's been color sanded and polished. It's got the headlight covers. Lines for the front cooling are exposed. It just gives it a nice little racy look. See, you don't see any bubbles on the body or anything like that. It's a really neat, solid collector car. It's just going to appreciate in value. And a neat, neat interior. Open top motoring, too much fun. Tires have lots of rubber on them. Car has a number of nice touches on it. And if you'd like to come and check it out in person, we strongly recommend it. We think you'll fall in love. We'd like you to take a look at it. It's a really neat example of an early Alpine, which of course is the most desirable of the batch. Come on down and see us over here in Southern California at driven.co. You can reach us at area code 949-234-6353. You can talk to Dale or I'm Tomo. Feel free to give us a buzz. Come on down, check this thing out, take it for a test drive. It is a blast.